Hi everyone. Today I'm doing a review of Matchbox 2010 toy Rocky the Robot Truck. You see, he's a cat convertible. He has a little smokestack on top. He's got shoulders, wheels, a moving dump bed, and a hard head. What I have here is my construction hat. It's gonna make me as a construction builder. I'm ready to work. Now I am all set to get the job done. Let's do it. Rocky, my man, let's get yourself started up. Trying this switch. Let's see. Jeez, Rocky. He says a zillion things. You're already home, man. Hey, Rocky. I'm Evan Newcomb. And we're gonna try play mode, which is the if I could find the switch. Now we're gonna do is try me mode. What we're gonna do is the try me mode, which is the switch down here. Now we're gonna do is going to how to get to work. Like how he scrunched down low. Yeah, that's better. So we're gonna see. All we're gonna do is we're gonna press this phone stick one more time. Uh-oh, watch out. Now we're gonna do it. Is his muscles?
It's showtime!
Here he goes.
1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, up, down. Hey, Bob, push my button again. That tickles. Hi, I'm Rocky. Make some noise if you want to see some muscles.
Yeah!
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Are my taillights working?
They're still working.
Gotcha!
Oh, Rocky.
I think there's something in my tailpipe.
Uh-oh.
Oops, that didn't sound right.
Now I'm gonna stand up. I can pull him back. He stands up. Well, the best part he can do is dance.
Make some noise if you want to dance.
Let's dance!
Oh, yeah!
I can do the robot. Yeah.
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Now we're gonna do it. Here's another one.
Do you know what time it is? It's time to dance.
There's a little square dance.
Great job, champ.
Now we're gonna do here's another dance feature.
Come on, buddy. Dance with me.
He can twist. I use his truck bent to the beat. Now we're gonna do one more dance.
I'll turn it on my radio.
Now we're gonna do the work scene.
Hey, buddy, how low can you go? This is an easy one. Whoa, that's heavy. Come on, buddy, dump that junk. Hey, buddy, make some noise when you want me to dump.
Dump it, Rocky!
You're the boss. Shake what your mama gave you.
You can push him around.
Moving out.
Honk, honk.
Backing up. Backing up.
Now we're gonna put in. Now we're gonna back it up.
Dude, what did you put back there? Stand clear.
Now we're gonna dump it one more time.
Where to, boss? You're the boss. And we're off. Clear in the rear? Hey, buddy, push my button again. That tickles. It's showtime.
1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, up, down.
Hey, boss, push my button again. That tickles. Hi, I'm Rocky. What's next? Piece of cake. That sure is heavy, boss.
Now we're gonna do his dump.
Hey, buddy, push my button again. That tickles. Are we going to the dump site? Come on, buddy. Dump that junk. What are we doing with this load? Let's get to work. Hey, boss, look out behind me.
Here he goes.
Hey, boss, what's next? Rocky, reporting for duty. Check out these moves. That was fun. Let's do it again. Hey, buddy, push my button again. It's time to dance. Shake what your mama gave you. Great job, champ.
Alright, folks. That was a review of Rocky the Robot Truck.
Look, no hands. Hi, I'm Rocky.
Okay, there we go. That's the review of Rocky the Robot Truck. That was a review of Rocky the Robot Truck. Make sure that you I'll leave a link. I'll link it. Like and subscribe. And write a comment after me. See you later, YouTube.